Right, we are on to lesson 8 vocabulary. You're making great progress. Good job. So we have 4 words for lesson 8. We've got equivalent fractions, numerator, denominator, and compare. Let's dig in. So equivalent fractions is first. It's 2 fractions that have different numbers but represent the same value or the same amount. So you have here 2 circles. I've broken this circle up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. Okay? So there's our 8. That's our bottom number, our denominator. And this one I've broken up into, that's right, 4 pieces. Okay? Now, equivalent fractions, they have different numbers, but they represent the same amount. So how can we take these 2 and have the same amount represented or maybe colored in? I'm going to let's take this one. Let's color in half of it, okay? So here's my halfway mark. And I'm going to color in 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 pieces are colored in. Okay? So 4 out of 8 pieces. And let's take this one, and I'm also going to color in half of it. Okay? But this time it's 2 pieces. Do you see that? 1, 2. Okay, so color in 2 pieces. It's still half of it. You can see that by the coloring in. I drew my line right down the middle. Okay, so see how the same amount is shaded? I'll take 2. So 4/8 and 2/4 both equal half. Okay, so those are equivalent fractions. Different numbers, but the same amount of space. Okay, next one. Okay, our next one is numerator. So the numerator, we've talked about this a little bit in the past lessons. It's the part of the fraction that represents or shows the number of parts you are talking about, the top number. So numerator is the top number. Okay, it's the number of parts that we're talking about out of the whole. So let's take our circle. Let's count our total first. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. That's the whole. Okay, and say we color in half again, just like last time. My line in the middle. 1 piece, 2 pieces. Okay, so we've colored in 2 pieces. Okay, so the numerator, it's not the bottom one, but it is the top one. We are talking about 2 pieces. Okay? Next one, the denominator. This is the bottom one. It goes down. So do you see the D in denominator? Think about down. That's why I have the arrow there. Down. It's not the top one. Denominator is the part of the fraction that represents the total number of parts in the whole, the bottom number. So let's see, we have our circle again. Let's count the total. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So does that go on the top or bottom? Bottom. 4 parts. The total number goes down. Bottom number. Okay, and let's color in just 1 this time. How many parts are colored in? Just 1. Remember, that's the numerator. That goes up top. So 1/4. Next word is compare. Compare, decide, or determine which fraction is bigger. So that's what we're going to do now. We have 2 squares. I've broken them up both into 4 parts. Okay, and now I'm going to make a fraction, and you're going to help me. So let's take our vocab that we just learned. We need a denominator, or the bottom number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. 1, 2, 3. They both have 4 parts. So our denominator for both fractions will be 4. 4. Remember, Denominator goes down. Okay, now I'm going to color in one part there, and let's take 3 parts over here. Okay, so how many pieces are colored in over here? How many parts are we talking about? 1. So that makes it 1/4, so 1 out of 4. And this one, we have 1, 2, 3 parts colored in. That's how many parts we're working with. 3 out of 4. So which fraction is bigger? Let's compare them. Well, right here I see 1/4, and I know that's only 1 piece colored in out of 4. But here we have 3 pieces out of 4 colored in. So I think this one's bigger. So that's the bigger one. All right. And I think that's our last word. Yeah. All right. Good job. Keep moving on.